Hello, it's Chris from Cricut. Today I'll show you how to use some new features we recently released in Design Space. Automatic background removal makes it easier to remove unwanted backgrounds from uploaded images, and our Restore Brush tool allows you to easily correct mistakes you may have made while manually cleaning up images. Background removal is only available for Cricut Access subscribers, although all members can try a preview. The Restore tool is available for all members. I'll start on the canvas by clicking Upload in the left-hand toolbar. Next, I'll follow the prompts to upload my image of a leaf. My plan is to modify this image to use for a fall-themed iron-on sweatshirt. On this screen, I'll select Image Type. I'll select Complex because the image includes some fine detail. Let's start with the manual process. I'll click Select, and then use my cursor to select the areas I don't want to use for my sweatshirt. You can see this process takes some time, as I carefully remove the hand and the background from the image. I'm shooting for a detailed cutout image I can use for my iron-on project. Next, I'll use Erase to clean up the rest of the image. You can see I can change the eraser size with the slider on the left-hand side of the screen. I'll click Continue, and now I've got two choices: my leaf cutout and a print and cut image I could use for a sticker. Now let's try automatic background removal. I'll click Remove Background, and Design Space does the work for me. And there it is. The only spot left to clean up is from the yellow light background in the lower left. Next, I'll click Restore to show you this feature. Restore is a great way to bring back pieces of an image that you may have taken out. In this case, I'll be bringing back the hand that's holding the leaf. You can see the tool allows me to simply paint the area I want to bring back. And then I can use Select around the edges to make sure the hand is the only piece I'm bringing back to the image. At this time, background removal and the Restore tool are only available on Design Space Desktop.